Did you know, India did not choose the 15th of August as Independence Day? Rather, Lord Mountbatten did, and the reason had nothing to do with Indian history. It was because the 15th of August 1945 was the date of Japan's surrender in World War II, a day Mountbatten considered personally lucky, since he was the supreme commander of the Allied forces in Southeast Asia during that event. When it became clear that Britain would have to grant India independence in 1947, the last Viceroy, Lord Louis Mountbatten, was tasked with overseeing the transfer of power. Originally, British plans aimed for independence by June 1948, but due to increasing unrest and communal violence, Mountbatten decided to move the date forward. Interestingly, the choice of the 15th of August as the date for the transfer of power was never rooted in any Indian cultural, historical, or astrological significance. In fact, astrologers at the time warned Indian leaders that the 15th of August was inauspicious, which is why India's first Independence Day celebrations actually began on the night of the 14th of August, with Jawaharlal Nehru's famous "Tryst with Destiny" speech delivered just before midnight, so that the new India would be born on a more astrologically favorable date.